Hello, Cybersecurity Growth members. Here's your update for the week of October 27th. Be sure to check out our growing library of premium courses, including the first 100 days of a CISO and 2 courses focused on implementing security controls with the Secure Controls Framework, plus our revamped 90-minute Cloud Security Bootcamp course. We have a new section titled Videos for Everyone. This section is a much easier to use view of all of our back episodes of the Cybersecurity Growth Show with Garrett and I. These reposts will also contain text details, show notes, and links. It'll take us a few weeks to get this built out as we need to move a lot of video files. Check out the older shows now and look for notifications as more are added. Last week, we held a 1-hour live workshop discussing the details of the DoD's CMMC as we are building out our next course. If you want to hear more about this course development, feel free to DM me or reach out and chat. As a reminder, check out the resource library. We've added compensation reports, now with updated cybersecurity salary guides and analyst reports, with an updated report on the DSPM market, plus the incident response section that launched last month to get your hands on a template for conducting IRs. The resource library is available to our CISO Pro and Leader Launchpad members. And that's your update for this week. Hope everyone has a great week, and we will see you all in the community chat.